The Sea Spider by Adam Holland. The Pycnogonida pentapoda, or the sea spider, is an arthropod that commonly lives in the Mediterranean and the Caribbean seas, as well as the Arctic and the Antarctic oceans. There are over 1,300 different species of sea spider. Many species of the sea spider lives in shallow depths of water, where other deep sea species can live up to 23,000 feet deep in the ocean. Some can grow from 1 to 10 millimeters, while others can grow up to 90 millimeters long. Sea spiders aren't true spiders or arachnids at all, but they have characteristics that would place them close to chelicerates, which are things like crustaceans. The sea spider can have 4 to 6 pairs of long legs with a small body. Because of how small the body is, they don't use a respiratory system, and they move gases through diffusion. All pycnogonid species have separate sexes, except for one species that is hermaphroditic. Females possess a pair of ovaries, while males possess a pair of testes located dorsally. Reproduction involves external fertilization and temporary courtship, and only the males care for the laid eggs and the young. There are 4 types of larvae for the sea spider: the typical protonymphon, the encrusted larva, the atypical protonymphon, and the attaching larva. The typical protonymphon larva is most common. It's free-living and it gradually turns into an adult. The encrusted larva is a parasite that hatches from the egg and finds a host in the shape of a polyp colony where it burrows. When it burrows, it will turn into a cyst and it will not leave the host before it has turned into a young juvenile. When a young juvenile hatches, it will typically have 2 to 3 pairs of legs that will let it live freely. Most sea spiders eat other animals and attack invertebrates that are attached to the ocean bottom, such as corals, clams, and marine worms. Other sea spiders feed on bits of plant and animal tissues that build up under colonies of invertebrates. While some species use the teeth at the tip of the proboscis to pierce the bodies of their prey and suck out their juices, others tear their victims apart and feed on the small pieces. Sea spiders typically walk or glide over the dark, murky environment that they live in, and they typically hunt for invertebrates to eat. The sea spider's population have been largely unaffected by humans, and they are not endangered or going extinct anytime soon in the near future. This is a video displaying the sea spider walking or gliding across the ocean floor and its natural environment.